Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel Guru and today I'll be telling you how to use the MID formula of MS Excel. MID, MID, formula of MS Excel. Well, what does this formula do actually? It helps you in extracting a specific numbers of characters from a given text or a value. Alright, I'll tell you how to use this. Let's just, I'll explain this example also as we move. Now, I want to say extract YEL from here. This is the name of my website, myelesson.org, and I want to extract YEL. Alright, so how would we proceed? So how many characters? This is the text and the start position is Y. This is the start position for the Y is the start position, so which is number 2, 1, 2. That is M is 1, Y is 2. And how many characters do I want to extract? I want to extract 3 characters, YEL. So how would I write this formula? It would be MID. It says text, so I'll choose the text, comma. What is the start number? Start number is Y, so its position is 2, comma. And how many characters do I want? 3. YEL is 3 characters. So I choose 3, I close the bracket and see, I got it. YEL. Isn't it nice? So I'll tell again how we did it. Say now I want to use the start position as 3 and I want to extract 5 characters. So is equal to MID. This is the text I choose, comma. Now what is highlighted? Start number. So start number is 3. That means E would be the starting point. You don't have to choose this cell to give the start number. You can even hard code the start number here. Say start code is 3, comma, and the number of characters that you want 5. So you can click over here 5, or even you can hard code it in the formula. So you get ELLESS, and here I want the start position to be 5, and or say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 would be the decimal point. So I want the start position to be 11. I want ORG to show up. And how many characters are they? 3. ORG. Let us see. MID. This is the text, comma. Start position is 11, comma. And how many characters do I want? 3. Bracket close. ORG. See? This is how MID formula can be used. I'll take you through a few more examples over here. See, I have mentioned ABC dash 100 dash DEF. See, you have to understand that this formula would count space, special characters, hyphen, numbers, alphabet, all as a character. So you have to give them one value each, the value of 1. So they would be counted as a character. So here is MID. I want to extract what? 100. Okay. So MID. This is my text and comma. And what is the start number? See, if I want to extract 100, so A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 dash is 4, and 5 would be my starting point because I want 1, 0, 0. So 5 would be my starting point, comma. And how many numbers do I want? 100. So this is what is the answer that I'm looking at? 100. So how many characters are that? 3. So here I got 100. You can simply copy it down. And here we are looking at item size. Large, medium, small. I wonder what item it is. Large, medium, small. I'm going to the wrong direction. Let's not let's not go to that direction. The small, large, medium, small direction. The human mind. Let's control mind over matter. MID mid, and the text is here, comma, and the start number would be, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, space is another character which I have to count in, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, colon is another character I have to count in, so 10, space, another character, 11, and L is the starting point which is 12, comma, and how many characters are there? 5. So if I want large to be written over here, large. So this is how I got it. I can even copy it. See, here medium only gives me MEDIU. Seems more to be a French word, medium. So how do I correct it? Well, I press F2 I go into the editing mode, and medium has how many characters? 7. So I type in 7. So here comes medium. So this is the mid formula for you. Well, the Excel file that you're looking at in this video is available for free download on my website, myelesson.org. Yes, you guessed it, right? And you can download this file for free from there, and you can watch so many other videos from there. It has a collection of hundreds of videos. And do not forget to share the site with your friends. So until the next video, this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.